Mali's primary industries, including agriculture, mining, textiles, and transportation, face unique challenges influenced by the country's diverse landscape. EDDY Pump, a leading provider of pumping and dredging solutions, offers tailored options for Mali's prominent sectors. Its cutting-edge technology facilitates efficient material transfer and infrastructure maintenance. EDDY Pump's product range comprises submersible slurry pumps, self-priming slurry pumps, flooded suction pumps, and state-of-the-art dredging equipment. Mali's geographical diversity, infrastructure requirements, climate fluctuations, environmental concerns, and logistical demands call for innovative solutions. EDDY Pump's self-priming slurry pumps and hydraulic dredging equipment offer adaptable, environmentally compliant, and resilient solutions. EDDY Pump's hydraulic dredging equipment effectively manages sediment, sustains infrastructure, adheres to environmental regulations, and adapts to diverse terrains. With strategic locations in Bamako, Sikasso, and Timbuktu, EDDY Pump is well positioned to serve Mali's industries. In conclusion, EDDY Pump is the preferred partner for Mali's pumping and dredging equipment requirements. Embrace our advanced technology today to overcome the challenges inherent in Mali's varied industrial landscape. Opt for EDDY Pump for flexible and sustainable solutions designed to address the unique demands of Mali's key sectors. Contact us today. We pump solids, not water.